भुरगे जर ना मनशाक जाल्यार खूब त्रास जाता। जेन्ना आमी चार चौगांत बसता तेन्ना आमकां खालीपण येता आनी आमी ताका खातीर खूब ट्राय करता, डॉक्टरा कडेन वयता। डॉक्टरा कडेन वचून आमकां खुबसो खर्च जाता। तो खर्च आमचे कडेन थोड्या मिन्स गरीब लोकां कडेन जायना, ताका खातीर आमकां हांगा थंय नाचपाचें पडटा, तळमळपाचें पडटा।
म्हणजे भुरग्याक लागून खूब हांव हें करतलें, म्हणजे डॉक्टर सुद्दां खूब केले पूण कांय फायदो जावंक ना आनी त्रास खूब जाले म्हाका पयलीं। आनी आतां थंयसर सुद्दां वचपाची म्हाजी परिस्थिती नासली तरी सुद्दां हांव गेलें भुरग्याक लागून, म्हाका भुरगें जाय म्हणून।
You know, it is the right of every couple to have a child, and this has been a dream of our Honorable Health Minister, who has been asking us to start this facility of IUI and IVF. Now both these facilities will be covered in this ART center with the free of cost, totally free treatment, because if you see, these patients were referred to the centers where they had to pay through their nose. Sometimes they had to sell their ornaments to get a child. Now I am happy that we are tied up with Dr. Kedar Perte, who is a pioneer in this ART technologies, and he'll be hand-holding us. And our Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rane, has himself come out with the CSR activity, and this center will serve people of Goa for long time, and I am happy that right to have child will be fulfilled at the end of the day.
खर्चा तो हिसाब नहीं, इतना पैसा डाला है कि बोल भी नहीं सकते हम बच्चे के लिए। अभी लास्ट ट्रीटमेंट में 7 लाख का खर्चा हुआ उधर। तो एक माँ पर क्या बीतती है, सब लोग तो ताने मारते थे, कभी होएगा, इतना साल हो गया बच्चा नहीं है।
Patients who have an infertility problem, who are unable to conceive naturally, can approach us in OPD 24. That's the obstetrics and gynecology OPD. We are also happy that we have been able to procure the state-of-art equipment for our IVF center, and there has been no compromise on standards that have been maintained to start up this center.
We are now entering the sanctum sanctorum of any IVF unit. So this is the embryo transfer operation theatre, which is, as you can see, under the AHU or air handling unit. The purest of air is here. The operation theatre does not contain any fumes whatsoever. It has solely an ultrasound machine with the embryo transfer table. It is under HEPA filters, and we get the cleanest of air. This is the actual embryology lab, and if anyone walks in with the slightest of fumes or perfume also, the alarm will go off. You can see various incubators here, which are the embryo culture incubators. There is the ICSI apparatus with laser hatching facility for PGS or PGD, a laminar flow and a tabletop incubator, and a blastocyst culture incubator as well. The flooring is epoxy flooring. The air is at its cleanest with the best of HEPA filters, and that air itself is also filtered further with this ESCO workstation, which maintains uniform temperature of 37 degrees and cleanest possible air. These cryocans are very essential. They are in liquid, they carry the liquid nitrogen, which maintains the gamete at -196 degrees centigrade. The level of liquid nitrogen has to be persistently maintained lifelong. If at any given time the cryocan cracks, all the gametes have to be transferred into a jumbo cylinder where they can be preserved.
शादी होते 15 साल हो गया। 15 साल में इधर उधर बहुत दिखाया, मैं दवा करना इधर इधर बहुत दिखाया, लेकिन कुछ काम नहीं हो गया। बाद में इधर IVF का दवाखाने में गया तो वहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट किए, तो पैसा भी बहुत खर्चा हो गया और 5-6-7 लाख तो खर्चा हो गया अभी।
It has been a tough job for patients seeking IVF because of the costs involved, because of the cost of the drugs involved, and also because the success rates are not very high. However, our government has taken a fantastic initiative of setting up an IVF unit in the Goa Medical College, the first of its kind in the whole country, where free IVF treatment will be available to these couples who feel that they are hopelessly placed. And once a child is born, their emotions, their whole families, their entire socio-economic and personal backgrounds get bloomed into a different kind of world.
सुबह में जो मैं बच्चा हाथ में लिया तो बहुत खुशी महसूस हुई और बहुत रोया मैं भी, तो खुशी का जाहिर नहीं कर सकता मैं, इतना खुशी है.
आमचे आरोग्य मंत्र्यान ही IVF हाडल्या आमकां खूबसो फायदो जातलो तेजो. आमचे पयशे वाचतले.
विश्वदीश बाबान हे मशीन हांगा हाडलें GMC म्हणून खूब बरें जालें. गरीब धेट्यांक सगळ्यांक बरें पडटलें. म्हाकाय फायदो जालो. तसोच आतां हेज्या फुडें कोण गरीब धेटे आहा न्हू तांकांय बरो फायदो जातलो म्हणून विश्वदीश बाबाक हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा.
तो गरीब घर को बच्चा के लिए अच्छा होगा ना. एक माँ के लिए क्या बीतती है, माँ बनना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
It's all about love, hope, and the miracle of life.
पुराय देशात फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दिवपी गोंय हे पयलें राज्य आसा आनी ताकाच लागून तर आमी गोंयांत मेडिकल क्षेत्रांत वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली सातत्यात करीत आसा. आमी कार्डियाक ट्रिटमेंट सुरवात केली, आमी कॅन्सर ट्रिटमेंट सुरवात केली आनी आज आमी आर्ट ही ट्रिटमेंट एसिस्टेड रिप्रोडक्टीव टेक्नॉलॉजी ह्या ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर परत एकदां हांव आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आनी पुराय तांची टीम हांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. समेस्त गोंयकारांनी जे इनफर्टिलिटी कपल्स आसा तांच्यांनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींत येवन ह्या ट्रिटमेंट घेवची, इतकेंच तांच्या लागीं मागता. देव बरें करूं.